Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. This is a case of abetment to commit suicide, and in this case, the Delhi High Court, Justice Amit Sharma made a beautiful finding that harsh decisions by employer cannot be taken as a ground for committing suicide. He cannot be lugged in as a abettor for committing suicide. In the case of Dr. G.K.Arora, he was the principal of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College, University, Delhi. Dr. G.K.Arora versus State and another. CRLMC number 5431 by 2014, decided on 29th October 2024 by Justice Amit Sharma. Held that this is a case relating to section 306 of the Indian Penal Code, that is abetment to commit suicide. Right. He made an observation that employer may, during the course of duty, make decisions which may cause hardship to the employees, but it does not constitute an abetment to suicide. He can't be blamed for abetment because he made hasty or decisions, that is harsh decisions. Right. So the case culminated from the suicide from the suicide of a lady employee by name Pavitra Bharadwaj, who was working as an assistant or as PA to principal of B.R. Ambedkar University. B.R. Ambedkar College, I think, attached to Delhi University. Right. So, actually she alleged that hard work was given to her. Previously, there was an attendant to her. That attendant was removed and workload has become very heavy, and the principal has been giving her enormous tasks, number of tasks which can't be performed by her, as a result of which she tried to immolate herself in the campus itself, right, on some date, on 5/10/2023. She immolated herself by dousing herself with some kerosene. So immediately she was shifted to the government hospital, government hospital, and she was not working. Please remember, here what happened is, so she alleged harassment on the principal. She alleged that the vice chancellor, even though she complained to the vice chancellor, he did not take any care, and even though she complained to the CM of Delhi, at the time Sheila Dikshit was CM, no action was taken. But in 2012, she was terminated from service. So, agreed by this, on 30/9/2013, after 1 year, she immolated herself in the premises. She came to on some work she might have come. So immediately she was shifted to the local hospital, where she gave a dying declaration and died after 2 days. I think on 2/10/2013 or so she died. She gave a dying declaration. A case was registered under 306 IPC against is Dr. G.K.Arora and others. He is the principal of that Ambedkar doctor. Right. Actually, firstly, the case was registered under 309 of the IPC. That is attempt to commit suicide. The case was against her. Subsequently, basing on the DD and after death, the section of law was altered to 306 of the IPC. Right. Now, the charge sheet was taken on file. Now, the summons were issued to Dr. G.K.Arora that he has abetted the offence of suicide of that particular woman. Against the orders, he has approached the High Court of Delhi High Court, so to quash the FIR. Right. Here the main point is whether the workload given to the woman is harassment or not. Principal has got so many duties. He may allot some work to her. No doubt, we don't know actually what happened, whether the principal subjected for harassment. Some people are also of that type. If they don't yield to their so-called pressures, definitely they may harass them also. But here what happened is, she is given allotted some work. She has to perform it. If there is any difficulty, she can express to the higher authorities. But she started complaining. So her complaining nature was also found in the petitions sent to the Chief Minister, sent to the University Vice Chancellor, sent to so and so like that. And after saying this, court has no sympathy towards her. Definitely, the employers can take decisions and it may cause hardship to the employee. But that doesn't mean that they can go for suicide. And it is not driving them to commit suicide. It shows their mental instability. So it's not abetment to suicide by Dr. G.K.Arora. FIR quash. చాలా సందర్భాల్లో ఈ 306 మీద పోలీసులు తప్పన ఎవరి మీదన్నా ఇట్లా, ఎందుకంటే కొంతమంది అప్పులు ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళ మీద రాస్తుంటారు. రాసినప్పుడు బికాజ్ వాడు వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టినందువల్ల మాకు ఇంకా ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ లేదని చెప్పి చనిపోతూ ఉంటారు. ఇలాంటప్పుడు సో 306 కోర్టు దృష్టిలో ది ఎవిడెన్స్ షుడ్ బి సఫిషియంట్. The evidence should be sufficient to say that the particular person was driven to the last resort of death. Since there is no other go, he has to commit suicide because of this harassment. అని ఉంటేనే, ఆ లింక్ ఉంటేనే 306, లేకపోతే లేదు. మీరు ఈ డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్న హెవీ వర్క్ వచ్చారు చచ్చిపోయారంటే కుదరదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్రక్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కేస్. ప్లీజ్ read the case law and I wish you will make a knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.